behind Bill's was to provide a home for Bill's while they were rebuilding the front building. Of course, then when that's all done and they move back to the front building, you're left with a 3,000-foot retail space that has no street frontage, and from a planning and financial point of view, may not be the best idea. So we're contemplating, and there are just some steps we have to go through and check some things with Wayne and Mr. Cadlick and DPW and all that kind of stuff. But we're very much thinking towards going to a scenario, because there are builders that can do this, where all we do is rebuild Bill's. Eliminate the extensive site work, all that kind of stuff. Obviously, we have to come back before you to do that. But we think that the concept is within the corners of the app, and also the shared parking agreement. We still need to go through that, but we think that both applications would be extremely less complicated and probably in the end better for everybody. So that's why I'm asking for that. That's why we're asking, and we really just got this news that it was possible to build the building in a much shorter time frame on Friday, and we had discussions with the clients Friday evening and before, and I let Elaine know earlier in the day that we were going to be requesting this continuance. Yes.
Doug, after Scott came to design review about a week and a half ago on it.
Was that the second trip?
No, it's the only time he's met. It's the only time they've come to design review.
Would you mind speaking louder?
I know that when the applicant went to design review, the applicant's architect went to design review a couple weeks ago, and we gave him input. And then I saw on HopNews a picture of the plan that was presented to the ZBA, I believe, which looked different than what had come to design review.
We don't have any filing with the ZBA.
There was something that was on HopNews, and it was a different
meeting,
building.
maybe?
It was a selectmen's. It was a selectmen's
It was a different building that had been presented at design review, which made me feel they had incorporated some of the suggestions. So I'm asking if there's a new design, before we sit down, could you please make sure that we get the new design?
Oh, absolutely.
This is
And
what
I guess
came to design
I guess what I'm going to say about the rendering that was in HopNews as presented to the selectmen was that was really an artist's rendering. We realized that we have to address some things, and we're going to do our best to do those with design review committee. And obviously, it's still part of the process.
Because I was thinking if there had been some redesign, it's helpful to us when we look at it to have the most recent design.
Yeah, this was kind of a pretty picture to give the selectmen an idea of what was going to happen.
Right, so I was going to say, I think that's I think the whole concept of going just to one building and reducing a lot of the potential confusion and complication that could ensue, I think that's a good idea. So,
motion to continue the public hearing.
Is there a second?
Can you get a date?
September 28th, is that?
September 28th is probably looking good right now.
7:30?
Second.
Just a second. Get a motion that's
Second.
seconded. All right. Mary, do you have a question?
Is Bill's going to be closed, or are you going to put up a temporary building for him?
No, with the original plan, Mary,
Yeah,
was
I
to
know.
put up a
Yeah.
not a temporary building, a permanent building.
Yeah.
But
Now you're not going to.
but now that we can construct this in a much shorter time frame
Okay.
than we originally thought, that building will be closed,
So
demolished,
Bill's will be
and
closed while you're
replaced.
doing it.
Yes.
All right. So we
That's what I need
have
to
a motion for continuance until the 28th. It's been seconded. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Doug.
Thank you.
Just both hearings.